Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can add anchor links on Google Sites. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, go to sites.google.com and log in to your Google account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, we can have three options. Either click on a blank site, click on a template provided by Google Sites, or click on a recent site that you have been working on. I'm going to choose this for example. Now, let's go to the right panel and add a new content block. After that, let's add a text. Let's say title. And we make sure that it is a heading. And you do that by clicking here and click on heading. After that, we're going to publish the site. And then click on publish again. And then on the bottom corner of the screen, click on view. As you can see, right here on the title that we just made, there is a button that says copy heading link. So copy that. And then we're going to go back to our editor right here. And then what we're going to do is to go to the right corner, scroll down, and click on button. Say title as a name. And then we're going to post the link that we just copied earlier right here. And click on insert. Now you have a button. And let's see if it works again. Click on publish. And then publish it again. And then click on view on the bottom. And from here, once you click on this, which has the link to our heading earlier, it will automatically bring you right there. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!